ఈ కార్యక్రమం ముఖ్య అతిథులు
जनरल सल्यूट सलामी
एक दो तीन एक
सम्मान गार्ड कंधे
एक दो तीन एक
सम्मान गार्ड बाजू
एक दो तीन एक
सम्मान गार्ड कंधे
అలంకరణ చేస్తున్నారు.
दो तीन एक
అతిథులందరూ కూడా
ओके ओके देखिए
అలంకరణ చేస్తున్నారు. పూజా కార్యక్రమం జరుగుతుంది. దయచేసి అందరూ నేర్చుకోవాలి.
सम्मान गार्ड राष्ट्रीय सल्यूट सलामी
एक दो तीन एक
తీసుకుంటున్నారు
श्रीमान सलमान गार्ड समाप्त हुआ, निष्क्रमण की आज्ञा प्रदान करे। सलमान गार्ड
గారిని కేశవ్ గారిని తర్వాత వెంకటేశ్వర గారిని వెంకటరామ గారిని విశ్వేశ్వరుడు గారిని రామేశ్వరమ్మ గారిని ప్రతాప్రావు గారిని విశాఖ గారిని అందరినీ కూడా శుభ్రం గారిని గవర్నమెంట్ సాధారణంగా సగౌరవంగా ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాను.
అందరికీ నమస్కారాలు. తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర అవతరణ దినోత్సవం సందర్భంగా హాజరైన ఆనరబుల్ జడ్పీ చైర్పర్సన్ సరిత గారు, గద్వాల్ ఎమ్మెల్యే బండ్ల కృష్ణమోహన్ రెడ్డి గారు, ఆలంపూర్ ఎమ్మెల్యే అబ్రహాం గారు, జడ్పీ మున్సిపల్ కార్పొరేషన్ చైర్మన్ కేశవ్ గారు, అందరూ ఇతర రాష్ట్ర ప్రతినిధులకు, జిల్లా ప్రజలకు, పత్రికా మిత్రులకు, ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ మీడియా మిత్రులకు, అధికారులకు అందరికీ నా హృదయపూర్వక శుభాకాంక్షలు. తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర సాధన కోసం తన ప్రాణాలని ఆహుతి ఇచ్చిన అమరులకు కూడా ధన్యవాదాలు అర్పిస్తున్నాను. తెలంగాణ అవతరించి నేటికి ఇవాళ 8 వసంతాలు. తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర అవతరణ నాటికి అన్ని రంగంలో మన రాష్ట్రం వెనుకబడి ఉన్నది. తీవ్రమైన విద్యుత్ కోతులు, సాగునీటి రంగంలో జరిగిన అన్యాయంతో వ్యవసాయ రంగం తీవ్ర సంక్షోభంతో కొట్టుకుపోయింది. ఈ దుర్భర పరిస్థితుల్లో మన ప్రభుత్వం అన్ని రంగంలో పునర్నిర్మాణ ప్రక్రియని ప్రారంభించింది. సతత్ ప్రయాసంతో మన రాష్ట్రం ఇప్పుడు ఒక సమర్థమైన రాష్ట్రంలాగా తయారైంది. ఇతర రాష్ట్రాలు అమలు చేయని ఎన్నో కార్యక్రమాలకు అమలు చేసినందుకు తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రం దేశానికి ఒక ఆదర్శప్రాయంగా నిలిచింది. పలు రాష్ట్రాల ప్రతినిధులు, అధికారులు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి మన పథకాలు, మన కార్యక్రమాలని పరిశీలించి ఆయా రాష్ట్రాల్లో అమలు చేసేందుకు చూస్తున్నారు. అనేక రంగంలో జాతీయ స్థాయిలో మన రాష్ట్రం సాధించిన అవార్డులు సమర్థవంతంగా సాగుతున్న పరిపాలనకు ఒక గుర్తింపు. ఈ నేపథ్యంలో మన జిల్లాలో చేపట్టిన వివిధ అభివృద్ధి సంక్షేమ కార్యక్రమాల వివరాలు మీ ముందుకి ఉంచుతున్నాను. నా తెలుగు అంతా బాగలేదు, అందుకే అవి అన్నీ నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే చదువుతాను, మీరు క్షమించాలి. డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వైజ్ అన్ని అచీవ్మెంట్స్ నేను ఇప్పుడు నేను అందరికీ చెప్తాను. డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ అగ్రికల్చర్ 97 rice vedikas were constructed in 97 clusters in the district. Telangana government brought out Raitu Bandhu scheme to rescue farmers from loan sharks and private loans. Every farmer gets 10,000 rupees per acre for 2 crops. A total of 224.71 crores rupees have been credited in 1,56,282 farmer accounts in Gadwal districts. Another prestigious scheme, Raitu Bima. In this scheme, every farmer has a particular passbook is entitled for 5 lakh life insurance. If any farmer unexpectedly dies, his her nominee will receive rupees 5 lakh insurance in nominee's account to LIC within 3 days. In the rural districts, 2,124 farmers' families / nominees were given an amount of 106.20 crores from LIC. Department of Horticulture. The government is offering large subsidies for drip and sprinkler equipments. 1,417 farmers have been benefited from these schemes and 1,688 hectares are being cultivated using the scheme. In Gadwal, 1,480 acres oil palm plantation have been planted. Department of Forest, 22.42 lakh saplings have been planted under the Haritharam program. Department of Marketing, in Gadwal district, with a capacity of 5,000 metric ton warehouses have been constructed in each mandal to store grain procurement from the farmer. Department of Civil Supplies. In Gadwal district, the government established 63 paddy procurement centers to support the farmers with minimum support price for their produce. Department of Cooperative. During the year, 4 cooperative central bank branches and 11 primary agriculture trade societies in Gadwal have disbursed crop loans amounting to 20.14 crores to 2,634 farmers during the Yasangi season. During the Yasangi season, 52,207 quintals of paddy was procured and an amount of 6.48 crores was disbursed to 554 farmers through 24 paddy procurement centers in the district. Department of Fisheries. 150 lakh fingerlings were left in 415 water bodies this year and 18 lakh prawns were left in 5 water bodies. Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry. In Gadwal district, 2 mobile veterinary clinics have been established. Farmers who need emergency veterinary service can call 1962 and get veterinary service. So far, 1,320 cattle have been treated. This year, 6,16,691 sheep and goat were given free nutrient supplements. 94,208 cows and buffaloes were vaccinated. 4,25,105 sheep and goat were vaccinated against various other diseases. Department of Irrigation. 13,000 acres under Rabi crop were irrigated through the right canal and the Priyadarshini Jurala project. 26,000 acres under Rabi crop were irrigated under the Rajoli Banda diversion scheme. 37,900 acres under Rabi crop were irrigated under the Jawaharlal Nehru upliftment scheme. Mission Bhagirath. As part of the Arogya Telangana, to provide safe drinking water to the people of Telangana state, and this scheme has become a great success in Gadwal also. In Gadwal district, by June this year, the Krishna river water will be provided through Mission Bhagirath, which costs 700 crores of rupees. In our district, all villages were provided with safe drinking water. Department of Electricity. Our success in power sector gave a boost to our progress in the state. The government and the power sector employees tried hard to eliminate power cuts from Telangana state. From 1st January 2018 onwards, 24 hours free and quality power is being supplied to agriculture. The uninterrupted supply of power is a pride of our state. So far, 48,254 new agriculture connections have been issued. Department of Education. Teachers have been trained to impart education in English medium in all schools in the district, which will be introduced by the state government from 2022-23 academic year. Telangana state government is implementing Mana Uru Mana Badi, Mana Basti Mana Badi program to provide infrastructure in government and local body schools in phased manner at an estimated cost of 7,289.54 crores. There are a total of 461 public and local government schools in Gadwal. 161 schools were selected in the first phase as part of this program. Out of these, 133 schools were sanctioned by the government. Department of Medical and Health. Telangana Diagnostic Center have been set up in the district and 57 types of blood tests are being done. As part of the monthly Prime Minister's Safe Motherhood campaign in the district, 1,322 pregnant women were registered on the 9th of every month at all hospitals and health centers, and so far 968 deliveries have taken place, out of which 947 deliveries have taken place in government hospitals. State government has launched a great scheme called KCR Kit to make the poor women get rid of financial burden and from unnecessary operations. The KCR Kit with the 16 items that are useful for both mother and the baby have been given to 4,802 women in Gadwal district. An amount of rupees 8.48 crores have been spent for 3,899 beneficiaries in the district as a part of Arogya Shri scheme. Dharani. From 2nd November 2020, the state government launched Dharani and designated all Tehsildars as joint sub-registrars, and they are appointed to register purchases and sale of agricultural land and to do mutations in revenue record, that is Dharani, simultaneously. In Joglamba Gadwal district, so far 35,102 slots were booked, out of which 34,600 slots have been completed. So far 16,392 grievance applications were booked in different modules, out of which 15,900 applicants have been disposed so far. Department of Panchayat Raj Engineering. Pradhan Three works are sanctioned in PMGSY 3 batch funds with an estimated cost of rupees 600.71 lakhs, in which this 2 roads are completed with an expenditure of 143.32 lakhs and 1 road work is in progress, and under PMGSY 3 road works are sanctioned with an estimated cost of 1,112.9 lakhs. In this, 4 road works are in progress and 1 bridge work is sanctioned with an estimated cost of 150 lakhs, which is in progress. SDF CMA 2018-19. Under this program, road works are being taken up. 43 works are sanctioned to village BT roads in Alampur constituency at an estimated cost of 5,561.38 lakhs under SDF grants. Out of this, 14 road works were completed at an estimated cost of 902.07 lakhs. 24 road works are in progress with an estimated cost of 734.27 lakhs. 4 road works are in tender stage, 1 road work is in agreement completed stage. SDF CMA 2021, community walls, bridges and compound walls. Under this program, road works are being taken up. 230 works are sanctioned at an estimated cost of rupees 7,000 lakhs, which are in estimated stage. Double bedroom 2 BHK grant. Under this program, 2,470 houses were sanctioned, out of which 20 houses were completed in Klatur village, Alampur constituency at an estimated cost of 51 lakhs. 200 houses were completed with an agreement in Alampur municipality. 200 houses in Aija municipality. 130 houses in Vaddepalli municipality and 15 houses in Maddur are in tender stage. 250 houses were completed with an estimated cost of 149.39 lakhs in Gadwal constituency, and 560 houses were completed with an estimated cost of 2,928.28 lakhs in Gadwal urban, and 715 houses were constructed from rural to urban, and these houses are in progress. The state government's ambitious Palle Pragati program has so far been carried out in 4 phases in each village, which include village sanitation, greenery, construction of Vaikuntha Dhamam, construction of dumping yards and segregation sheds. Construction of 5 new Gram Panchayat buildings in this district under Rashtriya Gram Swaraj Yojana scheme is underway. In the year 2021-22, 99% taxes were collected by this department. Department of Rural Development. Though the Asra scheme in the district, 13.67 crore per month has been distributed to a total of 60,477 pensioners in our district. 149.85 crore loans have been disbursed to 2,952 communities so far this year through bank linkage scheme. Rupees 24 lakhs have been sanctioned for 60 food processing units in the district at the rate of rupees 40,000 per unit for the year 2021-22. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme has so far provided 32,47,000 working days to 1,22,000 laborers belonging to 69,000 families in the district at a cost of 87.75 crores. Gadwal Municipality. In Gadwal Municipality, 33 urban nature parks have been administratively approved with an amount of 325 lakhs from the Urban Development Fund. Out of these, 26 urban nature parks were completed at a cost of rupees 255 lakhs. The remaining works are in progress. In Gadwal Municipality, 2 vehicles downhums were constructed with rupees 105 lakhs from the Urban Development Fund. In Gadwal Municipality, 8 core works were completed at a cost of rupees 2.47 crores for various work from urban development. As part of the Telangana Greenery, rupees 70 lakhs were spent from the Green Budget Fund and 2 lakh saplings were planted. 1,82,624 saplings were planted as a part of the avenue, block and institutional plantation in the town. Mission for elimination of poverty in municipal areas. During 2020-22 financial year in Gadwal Municipality, for 177 self-help groups, rupees 11.29 crores. In Aija Municipality, for 74 self-help groups, rupees 2.90 crores. In Alampur Municipality, for 63 self-help groups, 3.69 crores. And in Vadapalli Municipality, 47 self-help groups, rupees 2.30 crores loans were sanctioned through banks. During 2021 financial year, 4 municipalities in Joglanda Gadwal district for 13 members of SEP scheme, rupees 10 lakhs loan sanctioned through bank. In these 4 municipality areas under Bharat Atmanirbhar scheme second phase for street vendors, rupees 20,000 each for 657 members, rupees 1.31 crores loans have been sanctioned. Kalyan Lakshmi and Shadi Mubarak. 116 through Kalyan Lakshmi Shadi Mubarak scheme for the marriage of poor young girl. Sorry, it is 116 through Kalyan Lakshmi for the marriage of poor girls. Through this scheme, 4,560 families have been benefited in our district during 2021-22. Department of Road and Building. Telangana government has sanctioned 9 bridge works in the district with an estimated cost of 46.52 crores. 4 works have been completed, the remaining are in progress. Telangana government has sanctioned 8 road works in the district with an estimated cost of 47.15 crores. 5 works have been completed, remaining are in progress. Department of Women and Child Welfare. Arogya Lakshmi is a scheme for pregnant women, lactating women and children under 3 years of age. Through this, the government is offering egg, milk and nutritious food. There are 38,510 beneficiaries in the district. Sakhi One-Stop Center. Telangana government have sanctioned Sakhi building in the district from 19 July 2019. To provide integrated 5 types of free services, medical aid, counseling, legal aid, police assistance and temporary shelter under one roof have been provided to women survivors of gender-based violence. Anganwadi Bhai Bata program is being launched in the district from June 6 to 11th, and the objective of this program is to join the children in the Anganwadi centers. Department of Scheduled Tribes. As a part of Best Available School scheme, rupees 18.40 lakhs have been spent on students from 3rd to 10th class. 73 students in the district benefited from this. Department of Scheduled Class Development. Telangana government has announced rupees 50,000 to 2.50 lakhs for intercaste marriages scheme if any one of them belong to scheduled caste. In Gadwal district, an amount of 17.50 lakh has been disbursed for 7 couples. Dalit Bandhu. The unique feature about the backwardness of this work, but they are also subjected to very inhuman discrimination in the name of untouchability. Our beloved Chief Minister Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, who has created miracles like Kaleshwaram, Mission Bhagirata, Right to Bandhu, Right to Bima, etc., has now decided to take up the upliftment and economic empowerment of the depressed class on a mission mode. As usual, he comes out with innovative but practical ideas. In this year's budget, he announced the Chief Minister's Dalit Empowerment Program. After a series of discussions with scheduled caste members of the Legislative Assembly, Parliament and intellectuals from the community, taking the feedback into account, the government has come out with a Dalit Bandhu program. The unique features of the Dalit Bandhu program are that rupees 10 lakhs each will be given to eligible SC family as a financial assistance. In our district, 200 units have been sanctioned under the scheme with a cost of rupees 10 lakh subsidy. So far, 140 units were grounded for releasing rupees 14 crores. Remaining units are in progress. Department of Backward Class. In Gadwal district, 100 students who got merit through online examination were selected for Group 1 prelims free coaching in BC study sector. Department of Minority Welfare. In Gadwal district, 2 girls Gurukul schools and 2 girls junior college have been established. 960 students are studying in the 2 girls Gurukul schools and 320 girls are studying in 2 girls junior colleges. The Telangana government has introduced the scheme of Neetaniku Cheyuta, Telangana State Handloom Weavers Thrift Fund Saving and Security Scheme for the welfare of handloom weavers. The Commissioner of Handloom and Textile, Telangana State, has communicated the revised operational guidelines. So far, 6,921 weavers and ancillary weavers were enrolled into the scheme, and an amount of rupees 729 lakhs have been transferred to the 6,864 handloom weavers in their RDQ accounts. The Telangana government has introduced the scheme, Cheneta Mitra scheme, to give 40% input subsidy on yarn, silk, cotton, wool to the handloom weavers. So far, 5,826 weavers were enrolled into the scheme, and an amount of rupees 592.39 lakhs has been transferred to the bank accounts of handloom weavers directly through DBT method, and efforts are being made to utilize the scheme by the handloom weavers in the district. The Commissioner of Handlooms and Textile, Telangana State, have communicated the Mudra loan targets for 130 weavers to the district for the year 2021. For calling the applications from the eligible weavers, 1,302 applications were forwarded to the concerned bank for sanction of Mudra scheme. So far, 309 handloom weavers Mudra loans were sanctioned for an amount of 156 lakhs under this scheme. Department of Industries. Subsidies are being given to SC/ST industries under this Tea Pride scheme and to general category industries under the Tea Idea scheme. Under the Tea Pride and Tea Idea scheme for the financial year 2021-22, rupees 263.56 lakhs were sanctioned to the SC industries, rupees 139.47 lakhs to ST industries and 28.87 lakhs to general category industries. Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program. Through this scheme, micro industries will be established through bank loans. The District Industry Center has forwarded 86 applications to various banks for the financial year 2021-22, of which 36 the banks have disbursed on loans for setting up industries. Department of Jilla Praja Parishad. For the year 2021-22, an amount of rupees 1,56,209 have been released to the Jilla Parishad Jodhpur Gadwal under 15th Finance Commission grants. In this regard, 40 works with an estimated cost of 91,19,275 have been administratively sanctioned towards sanitization, construction of CC drains under 60% tide grant. And also 18 works with an estimated cost of rupees 54,72,000 have been administratively sanctioned towards construction of additional classrooms and repairs to school buildings under 40% untied grant. For the year 2021-22, an amount of 2,80,31,564 have been sanctioned to the Jilla Parishad Jodhpur Gadwal under special grants. In this regard, 66 works with an estimated cost of 2,42,000 have been administratively sanctioned toward construction of CC roads, sanitation, SCBC and minority community halls in the district. Department of Employment. In Gadwal district, 8 job fairs were organized by the District Employment and Training Department and 50 private employment opportunities were created in various companies. In Gadwal district, SC, ST and BC students study circles will be supporting 100 students each about awareness and coaching to prepare and excel in various competitive exams. Department of Transport. Transport Department launched Friendly Electronic Service of Transport Department FEST without visiting the RTO office. In Gadwal district, rupees 8.9 crores vehicle tax has been collected by the Department of Transport for this financial year. Department of Prohibition and Excise. To preserve occupation of the Gauda community, the government is taking up the plantation of toddy palms, that is toddy and Ita in Haritharam program. So far, 14,300 toddy palms were planted. Rupees 5 lakh accidental insurance is being applied to Gita Karmik Putlu. The Excise Department has collected rupees 43 crores from the auction of liquor shops in the district for the year 2021-23. Peace and harmony play a key role in the development of any place. Hence, Telangana government gives utmost priority to keep the state peaceful. Government is taking the help of modern technology and utilizing it successfully to bring the crime rate under control. Telangana government has taken many steps to empower the police departments it came to power. All new police vehicles and CC cameras are linked to the GPS system, which the officials can see live from the control room and supervise effectively. As a part of people-friendly policing, the department is using social media such as Facebook and WhatsApp and connecting people with the department. The government is also planning to implement a uniform service delivery scheme to have similar services at all police stations. I am happy to inform you that in all our is a newly formed state, even though it has proved far better than states in different fields and got several honors and awards nationally and internationally. The Telangana state, which was formed as a result of long struggle, is now established as a successful state. The state is progressing rapidly in various fields. It's been a successful and historic journey. In the coming days, let's go ahead with enthusiasm to achieve a Bengal Telangana and become the ideal showcase for the entire country. Once again, I congratulate you all on the occasion of Telangana State Formation Day. ఈ స్పీచ్ తెలుగు కాపీస్ కూడా మన ఆడియో గారి పత్రికా మిత్రులందరూ తీసుకోవచ్చు. అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ తెలుగులో కూడా రాసి ఉన్నాయి దీంట్లో. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్. జై హింద్, జై తెలంగాణ. ధన్యవాదాలు సార్. మరొక మారు ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర అవతరణ దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేసుకుంటూ, మన తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ఆవిర్భావ వేడుకల వెనుక ఎంతో మంది అమరవీరుల త్యాగం ఉంది, ఎంతో మంది తెలంగాణ తల్లుల కడుపు కోత ఉంది, ఎంతో మంది కవి గాయకుల కళాకారుల పునాదులపై సంపాదించుకున్న తెలంగాణ బంగారు తెలంగాణగా రూపుదిద్దుకోవడానికి తలా ఒక చెయ్యి వేద్దాం. మనం కలలు కంటున్న
తెలంగాణను నిర్మించుకుందాం. జై తెలంగాణ, జై తెలంగాణ. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రోజున మనం ఇంత స్వేచ్ఛగా ఉండడానికి కారణం ఆనాడు బ్రిటిష్ వారి నుంచి మన దేశ స్వాతంత్రాన్ని సంపాదించినటువంటి స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధులు, అలాగే తెలంగాణ బిడ్డలందరూ కూడా కోరుకుంటున్నటువంటి బంగారు తెలంగాణను కోరుకుంటున్నటువంటి తెలంగాణ అమరవీరులకు సంబంధించినటువంటి వారినందరినీ కూడా సన్మానించుకునేటువంటి కార్యక్రమం. ముఖ్య అతిథులను మరియు గౌరవ అతిథులు అందరూ కూడా అక్కడికి సార్ ఏర్పాటు చేయబడిన టెంట్ వారిని సత్కరిస్తారు. ముందుగా తర్వాత బాణాల కృష్ణమూర్తి గారు, కె మోహన్ రావు గారు. నెక్స్ట్ కె మోహన్ రావు గారు, పూజారి కృష్ణమూర్తి గారు, పూజారి కృష్ణమూర్తి గారు, తర్వాత బాలగోపాల్ రెడ్డి గారు,
మనం అనుకుంటే ఏం లాభం లేదు.
బాలగోపాల్ రెడ్డి గారు, బాలగోపాల్ రెడ్డి గారు, తర్వాత వెంకటరామరెడ్డి గారు, వెంకటరామరెడ్డి గారి తర్వాత ప్రభాకర్ గారు రెడీగా ఉండాలి. వెంకటరామరెడ్డి గారు, తర్వాత ప్రభాకర్ గారు పిఏటి రిటైర్డ్ సార్. తర్వాత ఎండి మహబూబ్ గారు, మహబూబ్ గారు రెడీగా ఉండాలి. తారకమ్మ గారు కూడా రెడీగా ఉన్నారు. తారకమ్మ గారు కూడా నెక్స్ట్ మహబూబ్ గారు, తర్వాత తారకమ్మ గారు.
ఇప్పుడు ఒకరొకరు మిర్చి సన్మానం చేయండి. పేరు చదువు.
మహబూబ్ గారు, తారకమ్మ గారు, తారకమ్మ గారు తర్వాత
మాకందరికి జైల్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు టిఫిన్ సప్లై చేసిన ఆయన సార్ అన్నదాత.
తర్వాత నిమలికంటి పద్మ గారు,
ఇట్లా ఇట్లా నిలబడి
తర్వాత మధ్యపాయి మల్దకంటయ్య గారు. నెక్స్ట్
మల్తకంటయ్య
పెంచుకల్పాడు మధ్యపాయి
అట్లే మల్లు
మల్దకంటయ్య. తర్వాత ఎం పెరిమన్న గారు. నెక్స్ట్ పెరిమన్న గారు రెడీగా ఉండాలి. చెనుగోనిపల్లికి చెందిన పెరిమన్న గారు, చెనుగోనిపల్లి.
అయిపోయిన
తర్వాత పి లక్ష్మి గారు, మద్రాస్ పేట గద్వాల్. లక్ష్మి గారు
సార్
పల్లి,
చెనుగోంపల్లి
చెనుగోనిపల్లి పెద్ద బీసన్న గారు,
రా జరుగు
పెద్ద బీసన్న గారు. తర్వాత పంచముఖి గారు మల్దకల్.
నేను అదే చెప్తే
నెక్స్ట్ పంచముఖి గారు.
సీరియస్ అవుతున్నారు.
తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర చేస్తున్నటువంటి అభివృద్ధి పథకాల్లో భాగంగా కాబట్టి సాధారణ నెక్స్ట్ కార్యక్రమం ప్రారంభమైంది. బ్యాటింగ్తో వచ్చేటువంటి
నెక్స్ట్ వెహికల్స్
ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్. ఒక్కొక్క ఈవెంట్ వాళ్ళు
దేవేంద్ర పక్క జరుగు, నువ్వు పక్క జరుగు కొద్దిగా, నువ్వు కొద్దిగా వెనక జరుగు కొంచెం అయిపోయింది ఉన్నాయి ఇంకా వెహికల్స్.
సరే చూడు కార్ వస్తుందా లేదా? కార్ వస్తుంది.
సార్ 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 కెమెరా డౌన్ చేయాలా?
సార్ సార్ మా కీ అండి పర్మిషన్ రాలా
తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం సగర్వంగా అందిస్తున్నటువంటి దళిత్ బంధు కింద క్షేత్రస్థాయిలో ఈ రోజున గద్వాల కలెక్టరేట్ భవనంలో అందిస్తున్నారు సార్. భాస్కర్ గారు,
కొద్ది సైడ్
నరసింహుడు గారు, పృథ్వీరాజు గారు, సమాధానమైనటువంటి దినోత్సవాన్ని పురస్కరించుకొని ఈ కార్యక్రమం విజయవంతం చేయడానికి సహకరించిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా అధికారులకు, ముఖ్య అతిథులకు అందరూ కూడా ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా మేము పేరు పేరున ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాం. విచ్చేసినటువంటి అతిథులకు అందరికీ కూడా ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా మేము ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాం. కార్యక్రమం విజయవంతం చేయడానికి సహకరించినటువంటి